Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Ranchi Vlogs. We are hoping that you are safe and healthy.
Lady is a giver. They don't think a lot about themselves. Talking about physical wound is quite easy, but private parts are still seems under hesitational circle. PCOD leads to mental health issues at a severe level, which is yet untalkable issues for ladies.
So first, start with the details. Who don't know what is it or not having proper knowledge of PCOD. PCOD stand for polycystic ovaries disease and it mostly affects women in their reproductive age means 13 to 45. So next, symptoms of PCOD. If you're going through these symptoms, so now the time you should care about your body. So the first is irregular periods. So the second one is heavy bleeding, heavier than normal. The third one is hair fall and the fourth is acne. Male hormones can make the skin oilier than usual and cause breakdowns on area like faces, chest and upper back. Next is obesity. 80% of women with PCOS are overweight. Next is headache, anxiety and depression. So now the question comes in our mind, is PCOD serious? So PCOD is not considered to be truly a disease since with the right diet and right exercise. So today we are gonna help in exercise for PCOD and PCOS. So let's begin. The first is Padmasana. If you can't do Padmasana completely, start with one leg only and hold it more than your limits and do again with your another leg. Or if you can do full Padmasana, that is the best. Second asana is Bhujangasana. Lay down and push yourself backward. Hold and don't force too much. Come back slowly with the exhalation. Next is Nokasana, shape of boat. This will make your core strong and you will feel less pain in menstruations. The next is Dhanurasana. Hold your feet with your hands. Push yourself upward according to your limits. And come back slowly. Now Balasana. This asana is stress relieving pose. Do inhale exhale in this pose and you will feel stressless. Now Halasana. This asana will help you in flexibility of lower back body, which is very helpful in PCOD condition. Hold according to your body and come back easily. Next is butterfly pose. As much as you stretch and make your lower body flexible, your body will feel less pain and balance in menstruation gap. The next is half chakrasana pose. The movement of your lower body is very helpful in PCOD. Hold according to your body and come back easily. The last asana is cat and cow pose. Deep inhale in cat pose and deep exhale in cow pose helps in whole body blood circulation. So that is for today. Thank you for watching. Share with your female friends. May this will help someone. And if you like the video, so don't forget to like, comment your queries and questions. We will answer there. And share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So, thank you.